An emergency fund is a crucial financial safety net. It can help you weather unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. A well-funded emergency fund can provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt. The ideal amount for an emergency fund varies depending on your individual circumstances. A common guideline is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. However, if you have a high-risk job or significant debt, you may want to aim for a larger amount. Balancing act: saving for emergencies versus other goals. While saving for an emergency fund is essential, it's important to balance it with other financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a home, or investing for retirement. Here's how to strike a balance. Prioritize your goals. Determine which goals are most important to you and prioritize them accordingly. If an emergency fund is your top priority, allocate a larger portion of your income towards it. Create a budget. A budget can help you track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back to increase your savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund account. This can help you save consistently without having to think about it. Consider a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account can help your money grow while remaining accessible for emergencies. Be flexible. Life can be unpredictable. If unexpected expenses arise, don't be afraid to dip into your emergency fund. Just make sure to replenish it as soon as possible. Remember, building an emergency fund is a gradual process. Don't get discouraged if you can't save the desired amount immediately. Even small contributions can add up over time. By carefully balancing your emergency savings with other financial goals, you can create a solid financial foundation for your future.